Good day everyone. My name is Erjasin Mtuwala from BSHM3I. How do you think the story of bartending affected our present situation? Unquestionably, bartending has had a big impact on social norms, cultural trends, the economy, and even individual choices about health and fitness. As technology evolves, it will undoubtedly continue to have exciting and new effects on our lives. The history of bartending is an intriguing journey that reflects the shift in society, culture, and our relationship with alcohol. From its historical beginning to the modern artisan cocktail movement, this craft has undergone constant change to suit varying tastes, styles, and societal shifts. Who is the first bartender in the world? New York City saloons were owned and operated by American bartender Jeremiah P. Thomas, better known by his stage name Jerry Thomas. He is known as the father of American mixology because of his innovative contribution to the national cocktail movement. Thomas gained notoriety for his theatrical bartending style, which featured elaborate techniques and striking displays. He popularized flair bartending, which involved entertaining guests by juggling cups and bottles. By applying creativity and showmanship to the cocktail preparation process, Thomas gave the impression that he was a creative professional bartender. Which countries are pretty active in bartending? First, United Kingdom. The history of cocktails culture in the United Kingdom, especially in London, is extensive and intricate. The craft, elegance, and inventiveness of London's cocktail scenes are all mixed together beautifully. The city has a wide range of options for those who enjoy cocktails, from well-known hotel bars to secret speakeasies. Excellent skills, meticulousness, and the capacity to provide outstanding hospitality are hallmarks of British bartenders. Cocktail trends have been led by the UK, which create unique drinking experiences by fusing innovation and tradition. Second country, Australia. The bartending industry in Australia is booming and well known for its creativity, excellence, and relaxed attitude toward serving guests. There are many bars in cities like Sydney and Melbourne that are committed to using locally sourced premium ingredients and are creative in their approach. Australian bartenders push the limits of taste and presentation, placing a premium on flavor exploration. Down under, there is a vibrant and diverse cocktail culture, varying from classy hidden gems tucked away in alleyways to elegant rooftop bars with stunning views. Furthermore, there's a laid-back, approachable vibe to the Australian bartending scene that promotes fun and companionship. What is the purpose of bartending in society? Bartending entails much more than just serving drinks. Bartenders are important members of our society because they enrich our cultural landscape, promote economic well-being, and increase the enjoyment of social gatherings. It's all about promoting entertainment and cultural expression, offering hospitality and social connection, creating drinks and culinary experiences, and creating a welcoming environment. Pouring drinks is not the only thing you have to do. You also need to create experiences and incorporate social contact into your work.